Welcome back. We have a great project today.
What's up, guys? We're out here cleaning out another flower bed today. Cut down all the bushes. I have some pictures of before so you guys can actually see what it looked like before. This is all the actual waste that actually we cut down, and we cut down again. We delimbed it. You know, it's quite a bit of actual waste. We're taking some and we'll be stacking some for future disposal. Stay tuned. All right, guys, we done dug up some of the roots. We had 7. That's what we got. We had these right here. And these are some of the big ones. He's working it a little bit. All right, gonna clean up a little bit.
Thanks for watching. Please like and subscribe.